Did you know that millions of Americans are losing billions of dollars every year simply because they don't understand their own insurance? It's true. Insurance in the United States isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity. Yet, so many of us buy it because we're told to, not because we actually get what we're paying for. Think about it. Health, life, auto, home insurance. We sign up, pay our monthly premiums, and assume we're fully protected. But here's the reality check. An insurance policy is a contract. It's filled with fine print conditions, exclusions, waiting periods, and deductibles that can completely change everything when you need to make a claim. Let's take health insurance. You might not realize that a pre-existing condition could have a waiting period before it's covered, or that a specific treatment you need isn't covered at all unless you meet certain strict requirements. In auto insurance, many people are shocked to find out that their basic liability coverage doesn't pay for repairs to their own car after an accident, or they set a deductible so high that filing a small claim would actually cost them more money out of pocket. Homeowners insurance is another minefield. Most people assume they're covered for everything, but standard policies usually exclude major events like floods and earthquakes. You often need to buy separate, specific coverage for those, and if you don't, you're on your own. Then there's life insurance, which is supposed to protect our families. But do you know the real difference between term life and whole life? Choosing the wrong one can mean you either overpay for years or end up with a policy that expires right when your family needs it most. A huge problem is underinsurance. To save money, people buy the cheapest plan possible just to be legally compliant. But one major medical emergency or a bad car accident can leave them with crippling debt that the cheap plan barely touches. And when claims get denied, it's not always because the insurance company is being sneaky. Often, it's because we, the policyholders, didn't follow the rules, like not reporting an incident on time or failing to provide the right documents. We also tend to trust insurance agents completely, but we have to remember they often work on commission. This can incentivize them to sell more expensive products that might not be the best fit for our needs. But here's the good news. This doesn't mean insurance is a scam. It just means we need to get educated. Insurance is designed to manage risk, not eliminate it entirely. Once you understand that, you can start making smarter choices. Always compare policies, read the summary of benefits, and don't be afraid to ask questions until you're crystal clear. Review your coverage every single year, because your life changes and your insurance should too. The US insurance market offers powerful protection, but only if you take the time to understand it. Don't rush into a decision based on a flashy ad or a feeling of pressure. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a business owner, treating your insurance like the critical financial tool it is can be the difference between security and disaster. Your financial future is worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to take control of your finances.